In this video, I will demonstrate the process of reviewing the devices logged into your Steam account. To view the list of devices, follow these steps. Open a web browser, and navigate to store.tutotrial.com. Tap on the three dots, and select Desktop Site. Log into your account. Click on your username in the top right corner. Select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Click on Authorized Devices on the left-hand side of the page. You will now see a list of all the devices that are currently logged into your account. If you wish to log out of all devices simultaneously, click on the Remove All Credentials button. Please note that this action will require you to log in again on all devices, including your mobile app and phone. I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it informative, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel.